Hello YouTube! What's up people? Got something to tell you. Here guys off the camera. Just kidding. Hi guys. Welcome to our video. This is Mr. Sparta. You know him. He's on my camera. And he's trying to assault me with my legs. Run! It's a jerk animal. You know, I put a foot near the dog and he'll get you. Dang it, he's angry. Alright, YouTube. This is my little scanner right here. This is the adapter. There we go. Ear beat. It means I'm on. Like in the grocery store, you scan stuff. Oh, my teeth hurts. See, means you're good. See everybody? I'm gonna register on. I got this on Amazon. You know me. Okay. See a laser. Okay, has been scanned. Okay, people. We're going to a different room. No. Dirty stalker.
Sonia, honey, stay right here. I just have to go to the bathroom.
Wait, Glenn? Take this one last.
Okay, people. If I scan stuff, you must have a laptop with you. That's my mom's computer. That's the one I steal. You noticed. Ow! Freaking idiot. Hurts. Tablets are over there. If you watch Lipsy the Savage play GTA in Walmart, it's hilarious, everybody. Ow! Sparta, really? That's that jerk right here. I'm just playing. He just insulted me. Look at that old thing. So, oh, you're so mad. Look at you. You're so cute. Let's give him his face in a minute, okay? Okay, baby. Oh, look at him. He just needs some rubbing, like cheese. Oh, hello, everybody. Watch this. Nuclear. Not good. That's what happens to you, you die. This is what happens when you die, people. This is my little room office right here. Scanner's right here. Like that. Okay. And it has been scanned. That's right, everybody. First you have to do, type in the total amount. $4,000. You owe me that. Alright, buddy, that'll be it for you guys. And thanks for subscribing to my video. And I'll see you later on the next one tomorrow.